Feeling stuck? We've all been there. Laziness can feel like a giant wall. But guess what? It's not who you are, it's just a habit. And habits can change. Ready to ditch the, "I'll do it tomorrow" and chase your dreams? Let's go. This isn't about becoming a superhero overnight, it's about small steps, building momentum. Think of it like climbing a mountain. You don't teleport to the top, you take one step at a time. Each step gets you closer to the amazing view. You've got this. Believe in yourself, change is possible one step at a time. Let's start building the new unstoppable you. Big dreams can feel overwhelming, right? That's where the magic of small steps comes in. Instead of write a book, how about write one paragraph today? See? Suddenly, it feels doable. Small wins fuel your motivation. Each paragraph, each workout, each healthy meal is a victory. Celebrate them. These wins prove you're capable of amazing things. Remember, progress over perfection. Done is better than perfect. Don't get hung up on doing it flawlessly. Just start. Each small step is a step in the right direction. Keep going. Willpower is like a muscle. It gets tired. That's where routines come in. They're like superpowers that automate your good habits. Want to exercise more? Put your workout clothes out the night before. Want to eat healthier? Prep your meals on Sundays. Small changes, big impact. Try the 2-minute rule. Commit to doing something for just 2 minutes. Chances are, you'll keep going. 2 minutes of reading turns into 20, 2 minutes of cleaning turns into a sparkling house. Remember those small wins? Time to celebrate. Give yourself a high five, enjoy a healthy treat, listen to your favorite song. Rewards make the journey fun. Life is full of setbacks. You might miss a workout, eat a whole pizza, or hit the snooze button. It's okay. Don't beat yourself up. Tomorrow is a new day, a fresh start. Focus on progress, be consistent, and embrace the journey. You've got this. Now go out there and make your dreams a reality, one amazing step at a time.